Hey guys, so day 1 is done. Marami na tayong nagawa today. We already met around 6 characters. We have Ariel, we have Aladdin, we met Donald Duck, Daisy, Goofy, Mickey, and Minnie. So marami na rin tayo. No? So it was a really good day. Very tiring indeed. Pero super worth it din naman. Nakapaglaro din kami kanina ng games and then we joined the silent disco which is super duper recommended. So for tomorrow, we just ordered room service para makapagpahinga muna kami. So have a good night. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's day 2 here in the Disney Adventure. So we just had our room service breakfast. So kasi sobrang sabi namin parang hindi namin kakain ng buffet. Now, we're just waiting because people are already setting up. Merong Moana show ng 9:30, it's 9:15. We're supposed to go out and swim, pero sabi namin, sige, tapusin na lang muna natin yung Moana. So, for today, we'll just watch the Moana show, we'll swim, we'll have lunch, and then ikot kami. We'll see what else we can do. Pero mamaya may mga bingo show, may mga bingo, and then meron ding party, so we'll do that. Let me show you my view, and this is the setup for Moana. Yeah, really nice. We're just waiting for the show to start. Bagong gising. Hello, we are now at the Pixar Market Restaurant. We're just waiting for lunch. So if you'll see, medyo wala pang mga tao kasi umupo na kami ng maaga-aga dahil maraming tao mamaya. But it's our first time seeing this side of the ship. I'll show you. I think this is what they call the Wayfinder Bay. Wow. We'll try to go down later, but kasi ngayon kabababa parang tostado ka, no? So, ito nga pala yung bagong bili ng aking asawa. Pakita mo nga sa kanilahan. She likes it a lot. How much was that for?
This is $95.
USD.
Yeah.
And then, show them your...
And I have my Stitch Pirate. And then I have my Captain Mini pouch. It comes with a shopping bag. But for now.
Adult money, guys. Adult money. There's nothing to heal. Kasi when you say, for us, when you say healing your inner child, there's a lot of things that you missed. But you know, for both of us, our parents did their best. My tita did her best growing up. So, it's just me really spoiling myself right now. Pero spoiled din naman ako when I was growing up. But, yeah. Sarap lang din pag pera mo. Pero mas masarap pa rin pag pera ng tiyan ko. And
So,
sa kanya
tita, if you're
naman,
watching,
pera ni ate. It's really nice. Kaya kumukuha kami ng mga talagang for Disney Cruise Adventure because this is our first time. So, mas maganda syempre, di ba?
Very nice, right?
Sige na.
Boy there. Have you found any room in it?
Get here to the Walt Disney Theatre, and before we get to the Walt Disney Theatre,
Hello, just woke up. Maga pa yung mata ko. So, ito ka nap. Nap pa ba yun? 2 hours ata. And then we're going to see Moana. There's a performance ng 6 p.m. And ikot-ikot lang muna kami. We will wait for our dinner which is at 8:15.
And one day, to take it
Guys, mali pala. Papalabas lang pala dito. Hindi pala live show. Guys, hindi pala live show, no?
requested for the room to be made up. So, here it is. Every day, like new design yung ginagawa niya sa aming throw. And there's always 2 chocolates na nandyan, nakain na namin.
They replace your coffee too.
Tapos
Your
they
black
replace your coffee, they replace your tea. So, nakuha na namin. Yan siya.
They're setting up now. They are now setting up for
They're setting up for the disco. So they do have disco later here at the garden. So as you can see, the DJ table is already ready. And this is how it looks in the evening. It's so pretty. But we are heading for dinner first at the Animators Palette. See, so pretty.
Thank you.
Sige po.
Dinner. We are having dinner at Pixar Palette. So we'll try to draw. You just need to draw inside the line. Can you show me yours? Come on. Wow. That is so you. I'll show you mine. Because we're not an artist. We're just maarte. This is mine. So we'll wait for it to flash.
Animation magic! I'll be back later, but right now, we invite you to sit back and relax as the dining room proudly presents
Your dinner. Be our guest. Be our guest. Put our service to the test. Tie your napkin around.
I love you. Happy birthday. Happy anniversary. She got chicken satay for appetizer. Can you try it? Do you think it's good? Grab appetizer, parang meron na siyang kain.
That's how you do it.
Let's see. Is it, malambot?
It is.
Thank you. Got wonton soup. Let's try my wonton soup. It's a so-so. Shouldn't be kamalasa, but let's try
Yan
the,
recommend.
let's try the wonton. It's a so-so. This is what I'm having for dinner. She is having butter chicken. Definitely her favorite.
Tonight's dinner.
Yeah.
Wait lang.
Guys, titignan natin kung mabubuhay tayo kasi wala tayong kanin. Makain tayong buhay. Tignan natin. So, I got another one. I also took the scallops, but I don't eat truffle. This one's risotto truffle, but we're gonna try it. This one's good naman, but yeah, just wanna really try out the scallops. We're gonna show our work practice. It's yours and mine. That's ours. So nice. In the middle. Check if we're gonna like it. First bite. It's good. It's not too sweet kahit na caramel siya. Really good. This one's sa Merano. We're here for the fireworks. spotlight. Minnie, Goofy. So, para lang siyang ano, pwede nyo lang siyang lakaran. Pero it's really nice. Gandang tignan. Ganda, oh. Ganda ng lugar. Hollywood Spotlight Club. And then, I think we can go on the left side kasi ando naman yung Oceaneer something. Ikot-ikot lang talaga kami ngayon, guys, dito sa ship. We're just trying to check kung saan kami pwede magpunta. We are currently in deck 8. You know, parang ano, dito lahat talaga ng deck 8 pababa, 8765. Andun yung mga activity nohan. Now, I'll show you naman yung spot for Thor's Hammer. Pwede rin kayo mag-picture dyan. Yan. You can take a photo here. Ito, yan guys. Yung pababang yan. Yung may mga escalator. Medyo madami dyan. Pwedeng puntahan lagi. Magkakasunod na. You can go down. Is this going down? Deck 7, nandun naman yung mga batcha. Batcha coffee, no, Hans? 7. Posters everywhere. One naman is Town Square. So, majority ng mga storytelling character meets nandyan siya kadalasan. This is also where you can see guest services. And then, marami namang ganito. Kasi sometimes not reliable masyado yung kanilang mga ano, Disney Wi-Fi. Day 2 is officially over. Oh my God. We had so much fun today. It was actually our first full day. Medyo maraming activities today. So, I'm about to freshen up. Pero, sobrang perfect, guys. Nung fireworks, I would say if you're gonna go attend the fireworks, mag-deck 18 kayo sa bandang gitna. Tanong-tanong nyo na lang. Maraming Pilipino dito that can help you out. Haggard na ako, pero super duper enjoy. I'll see you guys tomorrow.